Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Vellabox unboxing. It has been quite a while since I have been on the channel. I have been moving. I am super sick. My husband and I are moving from Southern California up to the Pacific Northwest. We are staying with my in-laws right now, and we have been so sick for the last week and a half. And I am so in need of some relaxing scents. So I'm super excited to open my Vellabox. This is the June 2025 box. They were kind enough to send this to me and I'm so excited to open it. I have been so sick that it has been so hard to smell, and I've just been dying to open this up because y'all know I love a Vellabox candle. So let's open this up. The back of this room is so messy. I'm so sorry. I'm realizing I totally should have cleaned, but this is real life here. So if you are unfamiliar with Vellabox, they are a candle subscription where every month they will send you a candle as well as a free gift. And all of their candles are clean burning, non-toxic, and made with good ingredients so you can feel good about bringing them to your home. They select a different artisan every single month and they'll send you candles based on your scent profile that you'll fill out. Since they sent this to me, I did get to pick the candle. I have absolutely no idea what I picked. It's been so long, but I'm super excited to dive in. I do have a code that will get you 50% off of your first box, so I will put that down in the description and up on the screen for you. And then their pricing is really good. I do get the Vevitier, I believe. It's their biggest option sent to me, but their prices are really reasonable. So this is so cute. Okay, it says, lost in summer haze where the air is sweet and time drips like honey. This is so cute. The bag is little strawberries. This has to be one of my absolute favorites. I love that. Okay, so we'll get to that in a second. So this month we have Off 9th as our featured maker. They are from San Mateo, California, and they create candles designed to bring warmth, comfort, and a sense of nostalgia to your space. The free item is a citronella balm. Oh my goodness, this is perfect timing. My in-laws have a pool. It's actually right behind this window, and we have been getting so many mosquito bites when we're up here. So I'm so excited for this. I also love the smell of citronella, so this is awesome. Ooh. That's nice. It's not a traditional citronella to me. Oh, I love it. And it's just a tiny little balm. So they mentioned that it's great to put in your purse, which is super true. I feel like if you're going to an outdoor restaurant or something, this would be awesome. So you don't have to smell like bug spray. And it's natural and clean. And then we have our candle. I'm not going to look at the scent notes until after because y'all know I love to play the game. It is Pixie, so y'all can see that. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it smells like a watermelon hubba bubba to me. And a little bit of orange or the yellow starburst. Super juicy fruit candy. Very sweet citrus, sugary goodness. It's so fresh and so clean. I love it. Okay, so it's called Pixie. This is part of the citrus category. So if you fit that profile, this is the candle that you would get. It is mandarin, citron, I'm not sure, prickly pear, nectarine, pomegranate, cactus, amber, pinon wood, and solar musk. A glowing sunrise over dusty trails, mandarin and citron lighting up the air, ripe nectar dripping from wild fruit, and a subtle warmth as the sun claims the sky. Ooh, that smells so good. I feel like there's nothing better than going into a new space and having a candle to just bring more of that home feeling, and Vellabox is the perfect subscription for that. As I'm doing this whole moving process, it's been so nice to have a candle burning while we're packing up so it doesn't smell like cardboard and it still feels cozy. And then now that we're in a new space, having a new scent to kind of ground us and make this space feel our own. I'm really excited about this one. Super clean. I feel like this is a really good spring summer scent, and I think this is going to be great for getting over being sick. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I will leave a link to Vellabox down below as well as my code so you can save yourself some money. And then I will also leave a link to this specific candle and Off Night as a whole so you can shop the brand. Thank you so much to Vellabox for sending this over. I'm so excited about this box. This is so good. I can't get over how cute this little strawberry bag is. This is like my new favorite bag. I'm gonna have to have a special purpose for that one. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next video. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!